Hey there. So I use Updrafts Plus to back up most of my clients' websites. However, every once in a while, there will be a problem where the database will not back up. So what the best thing to do is to go over to the hosting and just do a MySQL backup. So what we want to do is go into the control panel and then go into MySQL and then PHPMyAdmin and then go ahead and access that. Different control panels will show different layouts, but basically that's the same process to get there. And then what that's going to do is going to open up the PHPMyAdmin. And from there, there's two ways to export that are like normal ways. And that would be to click on your database. And then from there, you can select all these at the bottom. And then you can export here. And once that will give you a drop down that says SQL, and you can just press go. So that's number one. I'll go ahead and do that, let that run in the background. The other option is to go to export, and you can see that here actually it is this piece. And from there, you just go to quick SQL. There's a drop down here for different options, but SQL is what we're doing now, and you just press go. So you can see that it's running, and that's about it. So just make sure it downloads correctly, and you should be good to go.